Next, we will talk about cells formatting, and for anyone who's familiar with Microsoft Office, many of these tools should be also familiar. So we can change the font for given selected cells from here by selecting the font or type its name in the search. We can also adjust the font size. Let's say we want to reduce it 2 times. And to change the font color, we can change it from here also. And we can change the background for the actual cell or the fill for these cells from here. So let's say a golden or orange color, and for the headers we might choose a darker color. And for the headers also we can apply bold font, italic, and underline. These three actually have a shortcut. So for bold font we can press Ctrl B, italic Ctrl I, and underline Ctrl U. And we also can apply a borders between the actual cells. So if we select these cells, and from here we can choose the border we want. And if we want a thick border, we can also choose thick outside border. And to make the upper and the left thick border more visible, we can add additional row in the first and additional column. We can also sort our data based on the make, the car make, and from here we can perform merging for these cells. So if we go for the home tab and select this option, click OK. Now Excel merged these two cells into a single cell. And we can do the same for all other rows with the same make. And we can center these text to the middle from this option. And to align all of our text in the center, we can select our data again and select align center. And if we press Ctrl 1, we will actually have these 4 windows or 4 menus that contain many or all of the options we were playing around with. Another thing we can do in Excel formatting is we can remove these extra grid or grid lines between the cells. And to remove them, we only need to apply a white background color. As we can see, these grid lines were removed. And to remove the grid lines from all of other cells other than our table, we can select them and apply a white background color. And we can select the whole cells below our table by selecting the first row, Ctrl Shift down arrow, and apply white background. And the same for the cells to the right of our table. We can select the column by pressing Ctrl space, Ctrl Shift and right, and then apply white background color. And actually formatting the cells depend on the person and how he wants to display his data. In the upcoming videos we will learn more formatting tools such as Format Painter that will help us to copy a formatting from cell to cell, and more advanced topics such as values formatting or number and dates formatting and conditional formattings.